Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today's recipe is Palak Paneer. I know most of them loves paneer, but there are people who do not enjoy paneer. So don't worry, you can have the plain palak curry, which is equally tasty. You can have this with chapati, roti, fulka, rice, anything. So, and it is so simple that you do not require any big ingredients, but the ingredients are so simple that you will get these ingredients in your kitchen itself. So let's get started with the recipe.
So here I have taken one bunch of palak, that is approximately 250 grams of palak. Boil it for 5 minutes. Once it's boiled completely, let it cool down for some time and then grind it and make a paste. Now let's prepare the curry. In the hot pan, add some butter. So here I have taken 2 small cubes of butter, which is approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. After it is completely melted, add garam masala. So here I have taken 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 3 to 4 peppercorns, 1 cardamom, 2 small cinnamon. Fry these a little and then add green chilies. So here I have taken approximately 2 green chilies chopped, and then I have added chopped onions. So here I have taken 1 medium size onion. Saute a little, then add pinch of salt so that it gets soft and gets cooked easily. At this time you can also add ginger garlic paste. It's optional, here I have not added, but if you like you can add that. So once it's fried, then add chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 medium sized tomato. Now let it cook for a few minutes till the tomato gets completely soft. If you wish, you can actually use tomato puree instead of chopped tomatoes, or you can make tomato puree by grinding these tomatoes and use it for this recipe. So once it's completely mixed, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. These will be as per your taste. Mix it well and close the lid and let it cook for a few more minutes. After a few minutes, now you can add cumin powder, that is 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and then add your palak paste. You can also add a little bit of water. This depends on how thick or thin consistency you require for the curry. Mix it well and let it cook for a few more minutes in the medium flame. At this time you can also taste and see if you require any additional chili or salt. After this you can add paneer cubes. My camera went off, so I could not capture adding paneer to the dish, but once the curry is ready you can add paneer to the dish. So as I had mentioned earlier, people who do not prefer paneer, they can make this plain palak curry, and only in the end I have added paneer to the dish. And to give a thick consistency, add little milk cream, and this will give you a slightly creamy taste as well. So here we are done with the palak paneer. Here another thing is, if you wish you can slightly fry paneer before adding to the dish. I have not done that, but I have seen a couple of places where they fry these paneer and add to the dish. That also tastes good. So you can try that if you wish.
So how did you like the video today? Or how did you like the recipe today? If you've liked it, please do share it with all, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.